Okay guys, this is the unboxing of a Catless downpipe for a 2004 Jetta 1.8 turbo. This is an eBay downpipe. It was $56. And why spend any more? So here's one part of it. And this is the part where the catalytic converter should be, and is not there. And this will be going on like that. And the next part of this will be putting it on the 100% stock 2004 Jetta. It's got a KO3S turbo, and I think it will sound pretty good. So get right to it. So we're on our way. I'm on my way. Damn it. I'm on my way to my friend Christian's house, and he also has a Jetta. We're going to be putting on this downpipe and probably bypassing a few things too, just so that the engine bay looks cleaner, since there's a bunch of vacuum lines all over these Jettas. And then I'll just give you guys a little backstory on this car. I bought it in the beginning of the month, or probably the end of last month, and it was having boosting problems. The guy said that the only problem with it was that the ABS light was on. So when I went to go check on it, just to, see if it was worth buying, I mean, the interior's super clean. It's got leather heated seats. I mean, there's really nothing wrong, like body-wise and interior-wise, of the vehicle. But it was, when I test drove it, it was having boosting problems. I wasn't hitting boost at all. The guy wanted $1,500 for it, and I test drove it, went back to his house, and told him that it had a lot of problems. It was having boosting problems, the check engine lights on, like the ABS, the coolant light was on because it was out of coolant. But I pretty much told him that I'd give him $900 for it, straight cash, just take it off of his hands right then and there. And, because it was in person and everything, he felt obligated to say yes, so I got a pretty good deal. The hunting down of everything that was wrong with it, one of the ABS sensors was broken. I did check that. I replaced that, but that wasn't the problem. I thought it was a turbo, so we were gonna replace the turbo, and then I laid under the car and completely spun a coupling around. It was super loose, so I was like, maybe it's that. So I tightened it, and that's all it was. I tightened it, and I drove it, and it hit 11 pounds of boost right off the bat. So I got a killer deal. $900, perfectly running car. I mean, it even shut the ABS light. It shut all the lights off that were on the dash. Just by fixing that coupling, it turned off all the lights. So if you guys are having problems like that, then it's a limp mode. It's putting your car in limp mode. It's turning on all those lights in your car. You're not making boost. Then you got a boost leak somewhere. And yeah, that's about it. I'll keep you guys dialed into what's going on next. I'm almost to my buddy's house, so yeah. What are you gonna do?
3,000 RPM and a 5,000 RPM.
Okay. Ready. That sounded weak.
Oh, just wait till we get that down. She's gonna sound mean. Even with the stock muffler, she's gonna sound more like an aggressive moan, like
Instead of a.
like. Have you seen that total?
Yeah. or the frog where it's like muscle cars versus Hondas. And it's like. So this is what we're working with right now. Just this one mod.
She's a 1.8. Just
1.8.
stop for now, not for long. Oh, you know what I'm gonna do with mine, Zach?
Paint it.
Nope, I'm gonna port it.
Port it? Oh.
Open the ports.
Oh. You gotta do that with mine too then.
Easy.
Okay.
Summertime's coming, brother. Where's the hammer? Give me that motherfucking hammer.
Okay.
Look at this stupid bracket. Mike, that's probably gonna be like, what the fuck are they even doing?
So we got the downpipe bolts off.
Huh?
We got the downpipe bolts off. Well, one of them broke off, but so far so good.
Someone broke it. Mikey.
What?
Where's the big ratchet? I mean the bigger. Look at my finger. Hold on. This bitch just pissed me off. Guys, do not try this at home. This is a professional shop. Where are fingers? Oh, I'm bleeding. Ah! Fuck.
I'm so happy I got that recorded.
Oh, you didn't.
Yes, I did.
Fuck, Mikey. Oh, I could have just done that. I'm in love with the go-go. I'm in love with the ranches. I'm in love. So this is an hour tops job. We've been here all day, guys. All fucking day, guys. Just kidding.
Yeah, but that's because all the fucking bolts are shit.
Yeah, someone messed up and broke all the bolts.
Christian.
I know. I had to be the fucking Mexican.
Mexican?
Mexican. I'm not
Can't.
racist. I'm not racist, guys. I'm Mexican. Okay, guys, this is the fun part. Again, do not try this at home. It's not safe. But we're gonna send it. Because we gotta sing. Right, Mikey?
Mm-hmm. That's barely even on there.
No?
That's not even on there.
It don't matter.
It does.
Ready?
That's why he strips bolts, guys. Okay, cut. We did it, guys. We got the fucking downpipe out. I gotta get this hammer. Okay. So this is the stock downpipe, eh? Look at that fucking beast. It's huge.
This is not the right way to do it, but you know what? Who gives a fuck? Pliers. The ones we can just like adjust.
Channel locks.
No biggie. Ready? You better lose. Allah. Now this one. This one, guys. It's the other way.
Are you sure?
Yeah. I'm sorry, guys. I'm not perfect.
There you go.
See that bad boy? Get it downpipe, Mikey.
The other one?
The other downpipe.
Yeah, the other downpipe. Okay, next. These beauties right here. Look at them. Look at that. Look at that beauty right there. It's fucking nice. Nice and pretty.
This one goes in the back.
Yes.
Back.
Man, these things are huge. Look at the size difference on that. Straight piped.
Woo! 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 That's it. really good trick. When you do this, make sure you can cut this, so that by the time you get there, straighten out. Smart?
Mm-hmm.
Again, be careful. She's good.
Bolts.
We're gonna
Mock it up.
set this up over there. We gotta position it. Cut that off.
I can't. It's permanently on there. Yep.
You hear that turbo?
Blowing a lot of smoke.
It's gonna go away.
Sounds good.
You hear that? So stupid.
Sounds great.